Welcome everybody to the Eventmaster Pro WordPress course for DJs. So in this free course I'm going to be showing you how to build your very own WordPress website from scratch. So I hope you're feeling very excited. And we're going to go through everything from setting up the WordPress website with your host and then going and configuring WordPress, and I'm going to explain a few things about how it all works. Now, WordPress has been around for over 5 years now, and essentially it's a tool to help you build your website in an easy way without having to know any actual code. So the way WordPress works is initially you'll install a theme, and the theme will create 80 or 90% of the design of your website, and then all you'll need to do is just change the color scheme, put your logo in, and then add all of your content to customize the theme. Now, as well as the theme, WordPress also has many plugins, and so within the actual website itself you can search the WordPress directory for all the plugins that are out there, and by default on the WordPress search engine all the plugins are free. Many of them have, paid upgrades, but the free tools is enough for you to do everything that you need to do most of the time. So it's very cool, it's very exciting, and once you become familiar with the admin area of WordPress, it's going to be very easy for you to keep building a website and updating it yourself. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need to choose a domain name. Now, the domain name can be, your business name, or if you're a club DJ, it can be your actual DJ name. You can put a keyword in the domain, although Google is putting less emphasis on using a keyword in your domain these days, and it's more about your branding and the popularity of your website, how long people stay around on your website, and if it's getting shared on social media. Those things are going to help your Google rankings better than just having a keyword in the domain name. So anyway, you'll get a domain name. It costs about $20 per year. If you're in Australia, you will need an ABN to register your domain name, but if it's just a .com, you can register a domain without any business registration. If you're in Australia, I would recommend using Siteground. I've done a little bit of research. It's actually based in Singapore, but it's much faster than most of the local hosts that you will find, and it has all the ticks all the boxes for all the important features that you need, and so I'll cover them things. This is AUD prices, $7.50 or $45 a month, and what that's going to give you is a free site builder. I'm not sure what that is exactly, probably some tool, probably like WordPress itself. Free SSL, which makes your site HTTPS, which is essential these days for Google search engines, and just generally for security you need that. You'll get free email accounts, so you'll be able to set up a few emails in your domain name. Free Cloudflare content delivery network. That's something that's going to speed up your website a little bit more. Free daily backups. That's super important because at some point you probably will make a mistake and delete something, or your website will get hacked, and it's crucial that you're getting daily backups. 24/7 support. That is invaluable. It's just it's really good that if you've ever got a problem, you can jump on. I'm not sure if they have a live chat or a phone number, but either way, the fact that they've got 24/7 support is super amazing. And there's a few more additional things down here. 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm not sure what unmetered traffic means, or unlimited MySQL, but it also gives you CPanel access, and that's just a little bit of a technical login area where you will set up your website and your emails. Okay, so let's get on with it. We're going to set up a WordPress website. That's what this course is all about. So it's got some of these things here, order extras. I'm assuming that some of these things, as mentioned above, are included with the website. Let's check out what the site builder is. Okay, site builder, building website never been easier. Look, we're not going to use this because there are other site builders that we can use for free anyway. I'm going to click my accounts, and we're going to actually go into CPanel, which is, as I was saying, it's like an admin area, and from there we can set up a WordPress website. So I'll click go to CPanel here, and remember my selection, we're going to go straight in there now. Now, there is another way to set up a WordPress website, a little bit more technical. You would go to wordpress.com or .org, and you'll download the latest WordPress, and then you'll upload it to the host, and then you go through the setup process. It's a little bit technical. The way we do it now, I think it's going to be a little bit easier. So now we're in CPanel. You've got these different sections here. We're going to choose in the auto installers, we're going to choose WordPress. Okay, so the latest WordPress 5.1.1. It's got some information here. Let's just click install now and get straight into it. So I'm actually building a website for a DJ that I'm working with. So, the domain name we've got is sunnycoastdjs.com.au. This DJ is based up on the Sunshine Coast. So let's just read through this. So which version do you want to install? I'm going to go for the latest version, choose the protocol. Of course, we do want HTTPS. Now you can obviously choose if you will want to have a www or not. I think because this website already has a little bit of a long domain name, we're going to go without the www. And directory. The directory is relative to your domain and should not exist. Example, to install at my domain /dir, just type dir. To install only in my domain, leave this empty. Cool. So we're going to leave that empty. We're going to put the site name in. So the business name is Sunny Coast DJs, and site description, we're just going to say mobile DJ hire, which is what this business is, and it's also a bit of a keyword. Enable multi-site. We don't need multi-site. I'm going to put the username. So for username, now you can put admin. That's very generic. You can just put your name or whatever. I might just put my name, which is Paul. And I'm going to put in a password here. So you want something a little bit complicated, using characters and numbers and letters. Admin email. I'm just going to use my personal Gmail for my DJ business, with my DJ business is Disco Source DJs. Site language English. Limit login attempts, that's like a protection thing. Classic editor, we want to install the classic editor. Basically, in WordPress 5 update, they made a new page builder tool, and it's sort of supposed to make things a little bit easier, but personally I don't like it. So I'm going to use the classic editor. WP Central, manage multiple WordPress websites. We don't need that. WordPress Starter. I'm not sure what this is. Easy setup with selection of themes and plugins. Not sure about that. I'll leave it on. Advanced options. Okay, so this is things about the database name and that. We're going to skip that. Just click install. Okay, now it says it's going to take 3 or 4 minutes. So while this happens, I'm going to pause this video. Oh, wait a minute, it's going quicker than I expected. Now I might pause the video and then I'll unpause it when this finishes. Okay, so that's completed. And now it says, congratulations, the software was successfully installed successfully. WordPress has been installed at sunnycoastdjs.com.au. So let's check this out in a new window and see how it looks. Great, so we've got a totally blank WordPress website. It doesn't look very great at the moment, but you got the idea. And this is the login screen. So if you're logging into WordPress, the actual URL you type is up here. You just put /wp-admin, and this is going to take us to the login area. Now from here I'm going to put my username in, which I think I just put my name there. Let's try and log in for the first time. Okay, welcome to your WordPress website. We know that learning WordPress takes time. To give you a jump start, we preferred a quick customization wizard that will assist you in choosing design and adding functionality to your site in a few easy steps. Okay, let's go ahead with this thing, see what it suggests. Okay, so now what it's doing is actually trying to help us out with the whole choosing a theme, but not every host is going to offer this, so I'm going to skip this process and try and just get straight into working on our website. Okay, so now we've landed at the dashboard in WordPress, and from here we're going to start setting up the website. So that's the end of this module. And in the next module, I'm going to show you everything about setting up the WordPress website. Thanks for your time.